Hey, it's Brian here, and I've got a great video for you that I just created all about showing up on Google Search and Maps and how you can attract more people into the center to ultimately boost your revenues. Let's roll. So
Okay.
first off, we've got the name and you have it as Shanahan Lanes and Mini Golf. When did you change you said how many years ago did you install the Mini Golf?
About 4.
About 4. Okay. So I'll show you right away. One thing that I'm seeing, and it's when we're talking about your online presence, right? Someone's here on Google, they see this, the business profile. They see, let's say, okay, Shanahan Miniature Golf, Shanahan Lanes, Shanahan, Siri, okay. Then they have Shanahan Lanes, I'm sorry, Shanahan Lanes and Mini Golf, Lanes and Mini Golf. And then we get down here to Yelp, Shanahan Lanes dash pool halls, right? So what's happening is Google, and I apologize for mispronouncing, Google is seeing different business names. So it doesn't know, is that the same location or has the business changed? Or so it starts getting confused. If we
Okay.
confuse a search engine right away, we kind of take away points. So where you mentioned the game room, right? You don't have a redemption center with tickets, but imagine someone's playing an arcade game and they're trying to get that high score. What we're trying to do is get so many points that we get a high score with Google. If
Okay.
your business information is inconsistent, we lose points. So number one is we'd want to address that and make sure that everywhere that our business is showing up, local listing sites like Yelp or City Search, TripAdvisor, if we're showing up there, we have the same name, same address, same phone number, because that takes away all confusion. Does that make sense?
Yes.
And by doing so, if I'm getting a little bit more technical for the folks watching, what you're doing is you're building up your relevance with Google, and Google looks at your relevance. Basically, if someone's typing in mini golf, you've got mini golf in the name. You're talking about a service you offer. If they're looking up bowling, then you have lanes. They're looking up lanes. So it's part of that relevance where you're getting those extra points. So that's number one. And there you have it. It doesn't have to be hard. It's just a matter of doing something. So watch the video again, pause it, take notes. And if you have questions, here's my email right here. Feel free to send me an email. I would be happy to help you because I want to see you grow your center. Until then, stay well, stay healthy, stay happy. Here's to your success.